Hey there! So you want to reset your Android phone but you don't have a computer handy? No worries. Today, I'll show you how to reset any Android phone step by step with zero tech jargon. Whether you're selling your device, fixing weird issues, or just want a fresh start, I've got you covered. First things first, be warned, resetting your phone wipes everything. That means all your apps, photos, contacts, and settings will be erased. Make sure you back up anything important before you start. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and find your Settings app. It usually looks like a little gear icon. Tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down until you see System. On some phones it might say General Management or something similar. Tap it. Next, look for Reset or Reset options. Found it? Tap there. Now you'll see a few choices, but what you want is Erase All Data or Factory Data Reset. Tap that one. You'll see a list of what will be erased. Scroll down and tap Reset Phone or Erase Everything. Most phones will ask you for your PIN, password, or pattern. Go ahead and enter it. After that, your phone will show a warning, just reminding you that everything's about to be wiped. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Delete All or Reset. Now just sit back and wait. Your phone will restart and begin the reset process. This can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it seems to take a while. When it's done, your phone will reboot just like it did when you first got it, totally clean and ready for setup. Bonus tip: if you're locked out of your phone or can't get into settings, you can use a key combination to reset it. Power off your phone. Then hold down the power button and volume up button at the same time until you see the logo. Use the volume buttons to scroll to Wipe Data Factory Reset, then use the power button to select it. Confirm and you're good to go. And there you have it, how to reset any Android phone without needing a computer. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.